Page 12, Holiday Time, the last book, the last piece in book 2. I look it over, it's a page long, treble bass clef. There are no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major. If you're doing the scales, do the C major scale, 1 octave up and down is fine. 4/4 time signature. Let's take this one hand at a time because both hands are kind of busy. The right hand, we got eighth notes going crazy. Starts with a little finger here that puts the hand here. But we are going to move around some. That's okay. It's a 1 and 2 and 2 and. Now bring thumb down here. And while you're there, scrunch up. I want 5th finger on the G. We're going to change hand positions. I want to connect all the notes if I can. I'm going from measure 4 to 5. Just stretch out. Extend to the C again and claps. So I'm feeling my way around the keyboard because eventually I want to do this without even looking at the keyboard. I want to be able to feel where these notes are. Now, second line, it's measure 8, you're here. And for measure 9, they want thumb again. I disagree. I think that's a poor fingering. You can get away with it because of the phrasing. I'll talk phrasing later. But I want to connect it. And if I'm going to play thumb on measure 8, I don't want to use thumb for the first note in measure 9. So what I can do, since I have 2 Ds, repeated notes, remember those babies? I changed hand positions on that. So the first one was a 2 and then a 1. I changed on that. So here and then. Then the third line down, measure 15, you have F sharps because we're in this position. So now F sharp. And on measure 16, you don't need the natural sign. It's an F natural anyway. Just play an F natural. And then up here, well, that's a little inconvenient. Going from measure 16 to 17, going from here to here. So I want to prepare that. I don't want 3rd finger on here if I can help it. I want a different finger, a 2 or a 1, something that makes it a little easier to reach this on measure 17. So it's a, I can just scrunch up and use thumb. Now I'm right there. And that's what I recommend you do. So on measure 16, it's 4, 1 here. That way I'm in position to go on. Left hand, well, half notes. So 1, 2, they don't give any fingering, but if you look at the first 2 notes here and here, put your hand where you can reach those and it just puts you in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3rd measure. What's this? I got up here. Well, I have to prepare that. So there's 2 G's there. The 2nd measure, you have a G. The 3rd measure, you have a G. 2 repeated notes. So I can do a 1, 2. That way the thumb is available. So again, at the beginning, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now, 2, 2. Stretch out. And each time I get this, I'm going to use the same fingering. On the 2nd line, the measure 8, you're here. Then just extend out and use 2 and 1 for the G and the B. 3, 4, and again the repeated notes. Because in measure 11 I got these notes. Well, I'm out of position, but I can go from a 2-1 to a 4-2. A little trickier, but it's doable. So it's measure 9 is 1, and then a 4-2. This way I'm in position for measure 11. And I'm just going to stay there until measure 16. And then I got to come back down. And there's not a lot of help here. Because in measure 15 I'm here, measure 16 I'm here, and the measure 17 I got to go here. You just may have to lift up and go down. That's fine. You can do that. There is one thing you might consider is when I'm here in measure 14, rather than 2-4, use 1 and 2 here. Just come down a little bit. This way it makes it easier to reach that. So it depends on which is more difficult for you. Is it more difficult to go from here to here or from here to here? I don't know. Everybody's different. You got options. There's no one way to do it. You decide. Now then the last line you have to move around a little bit, but you have rests. And going from measure 24 here, you can actually just extend out, and once you're there, collapse. And then during the measure rest, the third to the last measure, then you could just come down. All right, put the hands together. Let's see what happens. Well, here. Now scrunch up here and then 2. Reach out. So I go through and I put the hands together. And then I'll go back over it just like a line or so at a time, and I'll work out the hesitations. Go slow, but no hesitations. A steady beat from start to finish. That can take a while. I don't care, I'm in no hurry. Just no hesitations. Then I add the dynamics. Medium is that's just silly. I think they've left out a word. Medium what? It should be a medium loud or a medium soft or a medium something, I suppose. I'm going to go with medium loud because it's kind of a happy, it's a holiday. And that's here. Can you play this soft and this sort of heavy at the same time? I'm going to recommend you try if you can. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going, but I'm sort of heavy, very soft or very soft, whatever. At the same time, it feels weird, but we need to learn to do it. So I'm asking you to try it. Again, it may not come at this piece or the next or the next or the next, but if you'll keep at it, it does come eventually. And then the speed, happily and lively. Well, how fast can you play the eighth notes accurately? So, this is one of those where the wrist will just do whatever it does. Mine does a circle slightly. Because I'm transferring weight from finger to finger, and that's what it just does. Whatever you can do accurately, that's what it is. The last 4 measures, watch that on the eighth note. They all got to be even. 1 and 2 and 3. All nice and even. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand's playing on them. Also the phrases. It looks like it's like 2 measure phrases. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. It's like 2 measure phrases there. And the left hand, I recommend you connect it. It's like in the second line on measure 9, you're here. I'm going to lift up here, but I'm going to connect that. Now in those places where you have a phrase, you're going to lift up, but if the left hand's playing a repeated note, you have to lift up. You can do them the same. Let's play this together slowly and just check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. This is after you've learned it now. No hesitations. I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. And 2 and. 2, 3 and 4 and. And 4 and. 4, and. And 2, and 3, and 4, and. And 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Three, 4,